Okay, as promised, I'm behind you. If you're seeing this right now, spin around, you'll see me. But anyway, told you I'd give you a walkthrough of the bus. This video is 360 degrees. Means you can go up, down, sideways, backwards, spin it all around. I got all the rest of the stuff out today. All the seats, all the wood cleaned up. Still got a mess up here in the front area. We'll come out and look at the outside of the bus. There's my beater truck. We got some garbage back here. If you look down right now, you'll see all the stuff to garbage. Alright, and then we'll walk around the other side here. So the floor is out. The wooden floor, it was so wet in the back. If you look down, you can still see it. This piece right here is soaked. Try not to move you too much. Thought I had my pry bar on there. I might have put it in the bottom already, I don't know. I'll check that out. But alright, we'll go around the back of the bus. Here's all the seats from the bus. They're in front of you. Then behind you is the bus. Spin around here. Now the bus is on your left side. And we're walking back in. This is going to be a really short video. It's just a 360 degree video. I still got my hammer down here. Got to clean up my tools and then charge my batteries. We'll go out this safety door. We'll make it a little longer. And we'll see if all my tools are in here. Yeah, I got my long pry bar down there. We'll go ahead and close this up. I know I'm moving you around a lot. So, come back in. The fender wells are, I'm going to take you down, don't freak out. Fender wells are pretty bad, but it's all patchable, because if you notice, it's just the little pieces that needs patched. Nothing, that's like an 8-inch strip that needs to go over, because the front's good on it, just where the fender straps was, so this one's not bad. I know I moved you up quick, freaked you out. I gotta be careful with this 3D camera. If some people have vertigo or whatever, it can actually make them sick. And how do I know that? Because I know people that have it. I'm not just telling you to tell you that. So, I still got an here. There it is. It's down here. Don't leave new tools. You leave your tools out in the cold, it can actually destroy the batteries. So, I'll put you up here and talk to you for a minute while I put the tools away. You're still facing the back of the bus. We're going to try to make this video as long as we can here. I'm putting my batteries back in my little bag here I had. And the other day I put a battery, I'm missing one. Alright, there it is. Just put it up on the dash, ain't no problem. I'm going to start carrying some of this over. You guys go ahead and check out the bus. Spin around, check it out, see if you see anything. And if you see I'm doing something wrong or you did something different, it was easier for you, please let me know in the comments. I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back on Old Bull Bus 54. Woo-ha! We got a screwdriver and vice grips, and I'll take them. That's where they are. If you would turn it around backwards, you'd see me right now a little bit. I still got tape in here. I'm not worried about any of that. Still got something here on the floor, but I know it's driving you crazy. After you pair of pliers, vice grips, get that or grind it off. But the bus, so far, now I'm in front of you, if you're looking behind, is all cleaned out. I'm adding putting it up a little bit if you want to see my face. So got all that cleaned out. I'm going to take my rug, as they call it. So, yeah, that is that. So if you like this 3D video of the bus, definitely give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, thumbs down. At least you watch one. Please subscribe to my Blazing Dragon channel. Or if you just want to see the stuff about the bus and only the bus, go to my Bus Life. I called it Bus Life. capital B-U-S, capital L-I-F-E. That's how I spelled it. I don't know if it's spelled right or what. It's all one word. So go check that channel out if you just want to see nothing but the bus. If you want to see a little everything, check the Blazing Dragon channel out. And also, you can go over and check the Bus Life out and subscribe to that too if you want. I'd appreciate that. So, alright. Thank you and bye till later.